All right, Dave, say hi for your first helicopter ride.
Yeah, I'm pretty nervous. I've heard people get sick before.
No. What could possibly go wrong?
He got sick on the first time he got a helicopter.
This is our pilot.
How you doing?
Identify yourself with the website.
My name is John Andis, and I'm the pilot.
John Anderson?
Andis.
Oh.
Please.
John Anderson.
And who's our sexy co-pilot?
Susan Howland.
Hi, Susan. How you doing? And the name? You're not really nervous, are you, Dave?
No.
No.
A little bit, maybe, but no, I'm good.
All right.
Sorry, I won't do any loops or anything, I swear.
What'd you say, bud?
All right, Dave, don't say anything dirty except Dave.
No radio?
Dave played football in the NFL. A lot of hits to his head.
Wow. Sorry?
Dave played football in the NFL. A lot of blows to his head.
It's like that.
Exactly.
If you're wondering how Pollack and Bell roll, that's the way we roll. Atlanta to Athens, about 25 minutes. Holla.
When Georgia plays Tech, we'll have to get out here on one of these.
When we come to Sanford Stadium.
Yeah. We can land this thing on top of the taco stand, and we're all set, bro.
It's red. Is that a violation? Are we pissing anybody off?
No. We'll fly in a gold one next time.
Yeah.
Here's our sexy co-pilot from Sweden.